called for it and it were here. Alrighty, so this one is a bit unfortunate, especially since we've been touting that last year was what? 2017 was one of the safest years on record in the aviation industry. We understand now that there has been a plane crash in, did it happen in Russia? Happened on the border of Russia and Kazakhstan, I think?
The plane went down near the village of Stepanovsko, which is about 50 miles southeast of Moscow in the Ramenskoye district. Stepanovsko. There were no survivors, 65 passengers and 6 crew members. The cause of the crash was not immediately clear. They say the flight left at 2:21 p.m. from Domodedovo Airport. It's a small regional jet, was headed for the city of Orsk, about 1,000 miles southeast of Moscow near the border with Kazakhstan. It says several minutes after takeoff, radio connection with the crew disappeared. The plane's mark disappeared from radars. Sim said, quite unfortunate.
They say the flight radar shows that the plane was losing altitude just 6 minutes after it took off. Reached 6,400 feet before dropping to 5,800 feet, rising again briefly and then falling sharply all within a minute. Terrible, terrible, terrible.
Says fragments of the plane and many bodies were discovered.
Oh. Oof.
All right.
Terrible story. Okay, what's happening in, is this Africa?
South Africa, to be specific.
Rain?
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Yep.
Turned out to be true, the forecasts. Rain fell from the skies, and the residents of Cape Town in South Africa were very happy, thanking God. They stood outside to feel water on their skin. This because the city was experiencing a very serious drought. Got rain on Friday night. They say residents of the city have been under orders to save water meticulously to avoid the city's taps running dry, because there was a very real chance that Cape Town would simply run out of water. The city has had low rainfall for 3 years.
Says in January, local authorities slashed residents' water allowance to 50 liters each a day. He says that's enough for a very short shower and just one flush of the toilet. Okay. For 3 years? Okay. Well, happily, the news is that they got water. One flush for 3 years.
One flush a day.
Oh, one flush a day. I think it's just one flush for the whole 3 years that they've never
Why gotta be like that?
Oh, that's just...
It's a very serious matter we're talking about.
It is.
Have you ever not had water? Don't you always
prefer not to have light. Yeah, I say it all the while.
So then why are you laughing at
I'm not laughing. I just thought it said one flush for the 3 years, but when I read it again, it says one flush per day. All right. Okay. Why are you doing that?
Because you deserve it.
Jamaica's female
bobsleigh.
Bobsleigh.
Come again?
Not blob.
You need some water?
Blob. Jamaica's female. The competition, by the way, is bobsleigh.
Right.
And they use a bobsled. So the competition is Jamaica's... Because it's a bobsleigh competition.
What was Santa Claus in?
In a sleigh. Wasn't he?
So Rudolph led a sleigh and not a sled.
Isn't it? No, that's a sleigh. Them they said the great
and
song.
one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to sleigh Rudolph with him.
Won't you ride my sleigh
tonight?
I'm telling you. I know these things. I quote, "We had an excellent one-week training camp in Germany, and you'll see a lot of improvement in my style."
So who's wrong?
Yeah, it's not the bobsled competition. It's a bobsleigh. The competition is called bobsleigh.
So are they used interchangeably or no?
No. As far as I know, the competition is bobsleigh. That's the name of the competition. I'll check it out for sure.
Okay.
It is the bobsleigh. And she did very well on the track before going to the bobsleigh competition. And this is Carrie Russell, who actually got a medal, I think, at the Commonwealth Games before. But it's just great to see us in the Winter Olympics, believe it or not.
Do you know we also have a hockey team?
Yeah.
And do you know there's a young man who's doing speed skating as well, who won a gold medal at some trials last year?
What is the competition called? Skeleton?
Pardon me?
We have a gentleman in a skeleton competition.
Oh,
I'm
I
serious.
wouldn't be interested in that competition.
No, I'm serious. Hold on. Jamaica's lone male at the game, United States-based Anthony Watson, will represent the country for the first time in the skeleton event. I don't know what is a skeleton.
No, skeleton event. That is not the name of the event. Maybe
I don't know what they mean by that. That's what I'm saying. I'm agreeing with you. I don't know what they mean. But it's a skeleton event.
There is no event called a skeleton event.
It's not skeleton.
That's what we say in Jamaica.
Yeah, okay. But I don't know what that event is. But I will find out.
You better find out before the end of the show.
I shall, and I'll
giving the
let you
viewers
know.
information, they need to know what is what.
In the meantime,
In between time.
we have some birthdays. The
But
first
before
one.
you catch the birthday, did
Yeah.
you win any money at bingo?
No. I had this salt friend sit down beside me. I couldn't win nothing. I went to bingo. First time I played bingo. And I almost win, you know. It was $70,000 to the winner. I must say only one spot me have leave. And I have this little salt friend who sit down beside me, just salt me up. And I don't win nothing. So the next time I go back, I carry either a different friend. But I never carry her.
I was just saying.
I just
going to say.
You know who this salt friend is?
So your salt
says
friend,
me that.
Your salt friend never buy a bingo book. Of course it looks like you. Why you gotta be like that?
Yeah, my friend, she did buy me a bingo
No,
book.
you're ungrateful.
But but the one that I lose on was the one that I buy myself. Here, when you
So if
can't
you didn't
win,
use my bingo book, you would have won.
when you can't win something, if you can't tell me who the salt friend is. All right.
Whose
Somebody
side are
said
you
Simone.
on?
Somebody never said nothing. Somebody said Simone.
Marvin.
All right, let me tell you the birthdays. While you don't figure out who the salt friend is, let me tell you about the birthday greetings. Here's the first one now. Now, this lady is Claudia Calendar. Claudia, happy birthday. It's coming from your cousin Terry. Hi, Claudia. You see the post there? Wicked post, Claudia.
Boy, poor me.
That's going from your cousin Terry. So she says you're the greatest cousin in the world. Mr. Carl De Leon. Mr. De Leon, happy birthday, sir. It's coming from your daughter,
Isn't it
Carlette.
De Leon?
De Leon, isn't it?
Yes.
No, let me say.
No.
What does it?
Is it De Leon?
All right, Mr. Carl De Leon. It's coming from your daughter Carlette and your grandson Caleb.
Hi, Carlette.
And from us here, sir. I hope you have a great day, sir, and I wish you many, many more. Happy birthday to, well, it's not birthday. Yesterday was the 40th anniversary of Miss Claudette and Mr. Fitzroy Hines, Mrs. and Mr. Claudette and Fitzroy Hines. It's coming from your kids, Margaret, Janice, Mario, Latoya, Dahimia, Nicola, and Viletta. And from us here, I hope
How
you had
many
a...
kids is that?
1,
7?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah.
Wow.
My mom had 8.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. So, sir, ma'am, I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day. Brilliant day today.
I thought it was yesterday.
Yesterday. Well, today too. It don't matter. and I love you both
Who's
very,
that
very
again?
much. And this is Shanique McFarlane, who looks like she wants to sleep. She goes to St. George's College. Shanique, happy birthday. It's coming from your mom. Oops, where you going, Shanique? There you go. Coming from your mom and Nikwe, Anika, Safari, Michaela, and Tamika.
That
and
sounded
from
strange
me.
a while ago, you see?
Eh?
She goes to St. George's College.
Yeah.
I still can't get used to that.
Well, it's still an all-boys school.
I know, but the sixth form is
Sixth
fine.
form, yeah,
but it
sixth
still
form is
feels
great.
odd.
So,
I gotta get it
did I
used
get
to.
everybody there?
Yes, and their mother.
So, yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Hines, I hope you had a brilliant day, ma'am, sir, and I wish you many, many more, ma'am, sir. You know what I mean?
Go away!
When I figure out who my salt friend is.
Go away! You know,
the way true is life.